Hey everyone, so here is gogh app focus with your avatar. It's kind of viral app right now. As you can see, it's in top charts in productivity apps. But yeah, it's going viral on TikTok, and it's kind of like Japanese app built by some Japanese company. And this is a new approach to kind of like focus productivity app. So if you want to have Pomodoro timer or like a productivity timer, and app which helps you to stay focused during studies, this is one of the best apps right now in the market. So yeah, keep off your smartphone and focus on your work with favorite ambience, beautiful sounds, and your own personalized avatar. Boost your productivity with the Pomodoro technique, customize timers to match your pace. So then there is also lo-fi music and sound. Enjoy lo-fi music by Japan Lo-Fi Records. And then focus together in space, concentrate with users and friends from around the globe, step outside the room into a captivating world beyond, create your avatar, create your room, capture moments from any angle. Yeah, I will just show you right now what it looks like. But yeah, if you want to focus study or work sessions, you want fun free time, you like the Pomodoro technique, if you like lo-fi music or SMR, you want BGM for work and that has no ads. So dream workspace, anime style, CG. So yeah, the concept of the app is that you create this 3D avatar, and then you kind of put it and it looks like a game. You put your avatar in like this 3D space, and you start Pomodoro technique, and this avatar is moving like in a game, but it's kind of studying with you. So that's the concept, and it's quite fun, quite addictive. So it's much more fun than like simple Pomodoro app just with a timer. So here you have it. So plugged in, volume on, screen on, what they recommend in here. And then here you have your account. Yeah, so here you have settings. You can customize that. I already created my account and set up my avatar, but this is how it looks like. So you have this room like a video game. You have your avatar kind of studying and the pad. So for example, you can change the pose of your avatar, kind of your friend, how you wanna to study with you. Then you can change the pose of the. Wait, so okay, so there is also a pad in here, so you can then just zoom in, sleeping tapir, so you can't. And then you can customize all of it, so you can move around, zoom in, and just have it like that. So you have it like that, and then again in top right you have sunny or rainy, just to change that. You can change like day, evening, or night. Then you can also add ambient sounds. You can have this like lo-fi music playlists from here. Then you can just save it as your bookmark, as your preferred space. And then, for example, I didn't log out, and then this app, if you don't touch it, it becomes like this. So it kind of becomes very similar to your locked screen, and then you can just put it like on your phone near you, and then it's kind of fun. Like if you're studying, you don't feel alone, and then you can just participate with your avatar. So kind of it feels like you are studying with your friend, but then you can obviously just start a Pomodoro technique, which is you have like different modes. And then yeah, this is like what people don't know. It's like a Pomodoro technique. You focus for 25 minutes, you break for 5 minutes. When you focus for 25, you don't have any distractions, no Instagram, no YouTube, no TikTok, nothing. And then you can just start it. And then this is how your screen looks like. And then you just have it like that. And then it kind of looks like that on your screen. And you just put your phone near you, and it just feels fun. And then this avatar keeps moving and doing things. So yeah, then you can just end it. Also, maybe you can customize it a lot. You can add more items, more. You can completely do the space yourself. Add different types of furniture, different elements, and then there are open spaces. So there are different spaces where there are multiple types of people together, and then you can kind of study together. This is kind of like virtual co-working space where you can just study together. So this is kind of like a public group, and then you can then just sit in here. So you have this really cool overview. And I guess there will be more people joining in later, so quite nice. And then you can just move around. I don't know whether you can just chat then with people. Oh no, this is just a... So that's the idea of this space, and you can just end the session here. Then you can change your avatar, and then you can have your account in here. You can see your total focus time. You can see your stats. So that's basically what it is. Pretty cool, right? Then just customize it, and then there is additional menu where you have your account. You can delete your account from here. There are a lot of controls about graphics depending on your phone, languages, blocked users, and that's basically the process. So quite cool and interesting app, and it's free to use. You don't need to pay to have access to all these features. So definitely give it a try. Gogh, focus with avatars. Some people are not that happy for some reason. It's so cute and fun. Fix the colors right there. Please allow more than 50 stickers, broken images. So absolutely adore this app. Might need you to add in custom images to furniture. One suggestion: screen freezes, stuck frozen, doesn't work, stuck on screen. So sometimes it's just getting stuck when you try to log in. So it just takes some time to load. It happens for me. I'm on iPhone 14 Pro, and it just takes like 10 seconds for the app to load, like 10-15 seconds. It kind of freezes, but then you can kind of log back in normally. So yeah, that's the idea. Try it out.